Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video I'm gonna show you the tool you're using to mass follow on Twitter so that you can use this tool to increase your follower safely. Okay, so this is the tool you're using to manage and using multiple user account. So first of all, it's an account management function. So in this function, you can add and manage or limit the Twitter account that you want. Okay, so to my follow, I will choose follow function in here, and here you can choose many options like by custom follow, follow by keyword, or unfollow, or follow by post. So we will choose custom follow. So next, I will select the account I want to go to follow first, like this. After that, I will set the basic configuration. So first is the break real-time interaction. I will set from 5 to 10 seconds. After that, you will choose enter username button and you will add the username that you want to follow. And you can enter the list of username that you want. And each username is a line. And you can press save to save your username. After that, you can set a number of username each account will follow it. And you can choose don't allow duplicate follow, or you can choose interact after following, like about release line or share article of the user or comment to the article that you want to follow. Okay, so after everything's up, I press start and let the software do work. Okay, so here you can see on a screen the current action is running and the process, the success count and the error count. Okay, so basically I show you the tool I can using to mass follow on Twitter, and you can use this tool to increase your follower of the account that you want. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you guys can contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more videos about automation tool.